Hello. In this video I show you how well Linux Mint XFCE runs on an HP EliteBook 840G9 laptop. This operating system is ideal for those looking for simplicity, speed and stability. Let's see how Mint XFCE behaves with each component of this top business laptop. Processor, Intel Core i5-1245U plus Linux Mint XFCE. Processor with 10 cores, 2 performance plus 8 efficiency, 12 threads. Turbo frequency up to 4.4 GHz, ideal for multitasking and medium-intensive tasks. Linux Mint XFCE takes full advantage of this processor. It is a very lightweight system, and the i5 runs multiple tasks without problems: browsers, office applications, light virtualization, and even code compilation. The fan turns on rarely, and the consumption is low. RAM, 32 GB DDR5 4800 MHz. XFCE has a very low RAM consumption, under 1 GB at startup. With 32 GB of RAM, you have huge space for multitasking, virtual machines, browsing with many tabs, etc. XFCE is so optimized that it feels instantaneous. With 32 GB of RAM, the system has virtually no limitations. I kept productivity apps open, browsing with 20+ tabs, and I didn't feel any slowdowns. Storage, 512 GB NVMe SSD. Fast boot speed, 5 seconds to desktop. Fast transfers, applications launch instantly. XFCE Mint is known for its very fast boot times, and on this NVMe SSD things run great. Opening applications is almost instantaneous. Ideal for a fast workflow. Graphics card, Intel Iris Xe graphics. Driver automatically installed in Linux Mint. Good support for video playback, YouTube 1080p/4K, XFCE desktop effects. Not for serious gaming, but works well for video/light design. XFCE interface runs super smooth. 4K videos on YouTube, no stuttering. If you are not interested in 3D gaming or intensive video editing, Iris Xe is more than enough for everyday tasks. About Linux Mint XFCE, what does it offer? XFCE equals ultra-fast graphical interface, minimal resource consumption. Ubuntu-based operating system, stable, easy to maintain. Comes pre-installed with everything you need: Firefox, LibreOffice, VLC, GIMP, etc. Simple update manager, efficient application management. Linux Mint XFCE is an ideal choice if you want a system that simply works. It has no unnecessary effects, but is very stable, customizable and friendly to new users. The installation went smoothly, all drivers recognized automatically. Conclusion. In short, Linux Mint XFCE is a perfect match for the HP EliteBook 840G9. You get a quiet, extremely fast system, ideal for office work, browsing, software development or light multimedia. If you want a stable Linux system with a classic interface and top performance, this is the perfect combination.